The Task Manager is a part of daily life for a lot of people running Windows, and in Windows 8 it's certainly going to be no different, but you're going to like what you see because the Task Manager has been enhanced in Windows 8. Now first of all, let me show you how I got here. From the start screen, I just go to the desktop, and then once I get there, come down to the task bar, right click and choose Task Manager. Lots of ways to get there. That's how I'll do it. Okay. Notice that when you bring it up the first time, yours might look like this. If it does, click More Details and prepare to be surprised. Notice there's a lot more going on, a lot more information. First off, it's showing us there are 3 apps running. There's 21 background processes running. And if I scroll down, there are 27 Windows processes running. And I can see all of those. Now, on any one of these processes, just like before, for example, on Word, I can right-click it and I can end the task. Now, this is not going to be graceful. I need to be careful doing this, but when an app is locked up and it's not responding or something else bizarre is going on, I can end the task here. Okay. Now, for each app, I've got a column here showing me how much of the CPU it's using, how much memory it's using, how much of the disk time that's being utilized, the disk utilization, what percentage is going on there. And notice I've got a 91% going on somewhere, and I've got a local system something going on here, and there's maybe a Windows update deal going on in the background. So anyway, there's a lot going on here. Then I can well, let me show you this right quick. This is showing me that it's 7.4 megabytes. Well, if I right click here and change my resource values on the memory to percents, I can see that I'm only using 1.1% of the total memory that's being used. Okay. If I go to the Performance tab, notice I now have these nice graphical layouts, and if I can busy that up a little bit, let's see if I can make it jump. Now that's not going to jump it any, but I can bring up Word, close it down, and notice we got a little dip there from taking Word down. So we can see what's going on here. App history. Notice resource usage since 7/26 for the current user account, and I can see what's going on, my CPU time, how long it was open, and so forth. Startups, I can work on startup values here. I can disable this as a startup value. Users, I can see the users that are in and what's running under that user. Then under details, I can see all kind of details about running processes. Notice I can click on any of the headings up here on any of these screens and reorder based on that to see exactly what's going on. And then this is a real cool one. Services are out here. And so I can go find services. And for example, let me come down here, and if I want to take a look at the print spooler, I can right click on it and restart it right here. So a lot of really cool things, and I can open services from here, and this will take me out to my full services functionality, and then I can go out here and change logins for that service and so forth. So as you can see, the Task Manager has picked up quite a bit of power. Go out there and play with this thing and just look at it and see what you can do now. But you can get a lot more information and functionality out of Task Manager in Windows 8 than what you could before, and you're going to like what you find here.